Mahayuti alliance may have won the BMC elections, but even after such a big victory, the chaos is not stopping. Every day we are seeing fresh fights and power struggle between BJP and Shinde's Shiv Sena. So even though the alliance has the numbers, they still haven't been able to take clear control. Because of this infighting, Mumbai is still waiting to know who will be the next mayor. The decision keeps getting delayed while the opposition is watching carefully and playing very smartly. Even now, BJP and Shinde's Shiv Sena can't decide whether to register their groups together or separately. And because of this confusion, not only is the mayor election getting delayed, but their hold over BMC could also become weak. This is giving the opposition a big chance to attack and corner Mahayuti. So in this video, let's understand why mayor election is getting delayed, what exactly is the tension between BJP and Shinde Sena, and why group registration hasn't happened yet, and how the opposition is using this situation to its advantage. Hello, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. So now as we are moving ahead, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's first look at the numbers. In the January 2026 civic polls, the Mahayuti alliance secured a clear majority in the 227-member BMC. BJP won 89 seats while Shinde's Shiv Sena bagged 29, taking their combined tally to 118, comfortably crossing the majority mark of 114. This victory ended Shiv Sena UBT's 3-decade-long dominance in Mumbai's civic body. And on the opposition side, UBT and MNS together secured 65 plus 6 seats. Congress managed 24 while AIMIM won 8 seats. Despite this decisive mandate, the mayor election, which was scheduled for January 31st, has now been pushed to early February. And the reason? Pending group registration paperwork of BJP and Shinde Sena at the Municipal Secretary's office. So why the registration chaos? See, as per BMC rules, all parties must submit their group certificates before the voting process can take place. UBT and MNS completed this formality quickly, giving them a head start with 71 corporators ready and their paperwork cleared. But BJP and Shinde Sena are stuck in a dilemma. Should they register as a joint group to show unity and strength, or should they file separately to avoid internal power clashes? Some sources say that daily tensions, unresolved seat-sharing disputes from the elections, and leadership ego clashes are fueling this delay. If this confusion continues, the numerical majority could weaken, especially if the opposition manages to pull in a few stake corporators. And remember, without group certificates, there can be no mayor elections. This means decision-making in India's richest civic body with a massive budget of 74,427 crore remains stalled. Now, post-election, the power struggle has intensified. Shinde's Shiv Sena is demanding key committee positions, while BJP is firmly eyeing the mayor's post. The Shinde camp accuses BJP of deliberately delaying the process to gain political advantage, while BJP leaders claim it is merely a paperwork and procedural issue. This mirrors similar tension within the Mahayuti alliance across Maharashtra, where they won 25 out of 29 municipal corporations, but internal disputes continue. Even during the election campaign, these cracks were visible, with BJP's aggressive solo push often sidelining its alliance partners. And meanwhile, the opposition is seizing this moment. Uddhav Thackeray, while addressing a rally during Balasaheb Thackeray's centenary celebrations, openly attacked BJP, saying Shiv Sena is an ideology, not just a party. You cannot extinguish Mumbai's sons of the soil spirit. With 65 seats and over 7.17 lakh votes, UBT is leading the opposition charge, joining hands with MNS to strengthen its position. AIMIM's 8 seats are also adding a new political dimension to the house. And the opposition is calling Mahayuti's delay sheer incompetence and is openly predicting that if this chaos continues, BJP and Shinde Sena could even lose the mayor's post. They are projecting themselves as a ready alternative to take charge. Now, what's next for the mayor's race? The mayor election is now expected in early February. But for that to happen, BJP and Shinde Sena must complete their group registration quickly. Any further delay could cost them their political edge, especially as the opposition is actively exploring crossover possibilities in the 227-member house. And the stakes are massive. Mumbai's roads, water supply, infrastructure projects, and a colossal 74,000 crore budget are all on the line. Now, the big question remains, will Mahayuti come together and assert control, or will internal cracks deepen further? Mumbai is watching closely. Now, you guys let us know your views in the comments below, and thanks for watching Lokmat Times.